tells me it's too cold. Oh, dude, I should just steal his mirror.
Yeah.
Just go take it off, throw that one on the side of the road right inside. Dude, what happened? What is that?
That was a Can-Am or something.
Talking about the red one?
Yeah.
I still don't know who drives it. I think they got rid of the kid that I thought drove it.
That's it.
What the fuck is that?
Car's whistling.
That's interesting. That's new.
You got a hole in your muffler?
Maybe.
Didn't hear it this morning?
No.
Huh.
Turbo whistle.
My Subaru had a turbo whistle. There's something in the intake though, it wasn't out the exhaust.
Fucking alternator finally going? Ah, it's gonna bug the shit out of me.
You don't have a volt gauge.
No.
It's kind of funny.
Actually, yes, I do.
That'll go in your torque app.
Like the Bluetooth dongle things work way better than the Wi-Fi ones.
Mine's Wi-Fi works okay.
Well, I should say that cheap Chinese knockoff one.
Yes, yeah, that's mine was like $8, $12.
CJ's or Carl's or Subway.
I'm good with either one. Carl's Jr. is probably a little bit.
You want that one more?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's funny.
At least it does it when it's in idle too, so, or not in gear.